6, 7, 8. Clang, clang, clang goes the trolley. Ding, ding, ding goes the bell. When you're traveling with your besties, there's usually the trip you would tell your parents about, and then there's the trip that actually happened. Today, we're taking you on both.
I've discovered a fail-safe way to make friends or meet new people when you're traveling in Europe, specifically traveling in the Balkans. When you go out, bring a lighter with you. Even if you don't smoke, the amount of people that will ask you for a lighter, whether you're at a restaurant or at the clubs, even at the beach, it is the perfect icebreaker because they will approach you and ask if you have it, and you can say yes and just take your conversation from there. Who knows, you might meet your new best friend. Good morning from Pula. We came to the farmer's market this morning and there is so many cool things. We got basically an entire tote of fruit and vegetables for just under 10 euro. So we will be eating good here in Pula. Their vendors are so sweet too. One man was just giving us grapes, giving us figs, and like if we liked it, he would put it in our bag. Like the king of upselling. But everything is very affordable and beautiful. So apparently there's a fish market nearby that we're also gonna go see if we can explore. And that's how we're gonna spend the morning.
Our little farmer's market morning is giving me the best first impression of Pula. It's so quaint. I can already tell it's so pleasant to walk around, but it's so brimming with local life and energy still. In case you haven't been here, I'm on a mission with my best friend Mackenzie to finish visiting 30 countries before we turn 30. Right now we're in Croatia and our other best friend Catherine is visiting us from Canada for this part of our Balkan summer adventure. Oh, and we're on country number 20.
The reality of long-term travel is that some days you are just chilling, you're doing laundry. When the place you're staying has a good laundry setup, you need to take advantage. And sometimes it's just necessary. Today I've been chilling, reading my book, waiting for our laundry to be done, and it's been lovely. It's been rejuvenating for the wardrobe and for me. The mother of the person who runs this Airbnb just came out and we were talking, and it's so nice. The mother of the person who owns this Airbnb just came out when I was done hanging and said, "Oh, mamma mia, fanta roba," which I think means there's a lot of laundry. I don't speak Croatian, so if you do, let me know. And we might be kicked out of this Airbnb. Stay tuned.
Oh, hi. We may be struggling to settle in, but Pula is already giving major hidden gem of Croatia vibes. So here's the version of the trip you might tell your parents about. We took a walking tour through Pula, one of my favorite things to do when first arriving in a new city, and it turned out to be so much more of a unique city than I expected. It's one of the oldest cities in Croatia, and it has a history going back over 3,000 years. In this time, it's been ruled by the Romans, the Venetians, the Austro-Hungarians, honestly, others, but I forgot because we got distracted by these little shots on the tour. That's nice. Givali.
Is this giving you adorable like hair vibes? Look at his face.
And right in the center of town is the Pula Arena, a real Roman amphitheater that's basically like Croatia's Colosseum, but don't call it that. Don't say Colosseum, say amphitheater. Pula Arena, Pula Amphitheater. It's one of the best preserved Roman arenas in the world, and the only one that still has all four side towers intact. You can literally just stroll past it like it's no big deal. Casual ancient ruins, no big deal. Pula's architecture is this gorgeous mashup of Roman, Gothic, and Renaissance styles. You've got marble temples, cobblestone streets, seaside forts, and crumbling charm around every corner. Honestly, walking around feels like time traveling. This is the part of the trip that actually happened. Tell your parents at your own discretion. We booked a boat tour out of Pula. This was supposed to be a calm sightseeing tour, like admire the Adriatic coast, pass by some ruins, and learn about naval routes and important parts of Pula's history. But the tour we chose included free wine. And we took that very seriously. Somewhere between dancing and refilling our cups, we spotted the poor Lighthouse. Built in 1833 to guide ships through the rocky Istrian waters, it's been standing alone on that little islet for nearly 2 centuries now. We, on the other hand, have started turning this boat into a floating party. The guide kept talking about Austro-Hungarian shipyards and giving us some cool fun facts, but we were vibing, we were enjoying the breeze and the views, and of course more wine. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Eating a beautiful fish on the sea with my besties. This is what life's about.
What?
We had to clean the fish, and I think I did a really great job, if I do say so myself. And it's really delish fish with a small bandana. I love her. I'm gonna put this right here so I can film.
The whole time. We're gonna do a live stream.
She's enjoying her fish. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh no, I can't cut it with one hand. I just want a cute bite, like this. Holding the bone.
And then we ended up on this private island. Like, can things get much better than this?
We are on a boat tour just outside of Pula, and the boat tour has unlimited wine. But we're at a beach now, and we found this amazing abandoned pier, we think it is, that's like a full walkway of rock where the water is covering over now. And so I'm gonna take you out to show you what that looks like. Let's go!
Let me come out this way, and then I'll get a little video of you, but take off your thing. You look a bit upset.
Okay, it's already going.
Can you give me the... Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Whoa!
My butt got exposed!
Really? Catherine, how are you having some fun? Yeah! Dude,
This is the underwater Atlantis.
Oh!
Enjoy. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah.
Wait, can you actually see through there?
No.
Oh. You just have to feel like I just know.
My butt got exposed.
Is it on?
Yeah.
A little Catherine has a little... Ah! Wow!
I want to take my ass on a rock.
In a boat. If you will. Oh, he's belching actually.
Limited one.
He's kind of like a prettier Jesus.
And we'll have the unlimited one.
I almost drowned.
Oh my god, my foot's trying to make.
Oh no, don't drown. If you're about to drown, let us know. Okay, do a dive and then we should probably head back.
I just put only a dive.
Yeah.
The most mega epic dive you've ever shown me.
That was more of a flop than a dive. Okay, do it again, but this time expose it as you go down. You ready?
I feel like I'm not stuck anymore.
We made it back to the boat basically in one piece. Had a bit more wine, I think. Did not need that. And we were just getting started. Our nightly shenanigans here in Pula were just beginning. We're literally going to get a snack. Catherine's in front. Kenzie's in the back. We need to get a snack. And we decided to film a TikTok before coming to get a snack. So that's all I have to say. Let's walk. And we're gonna go get a chicken burger. Really good bed, Cam. Say no need, say no need. Oh! Oh! Oh no. Oh. Gonna regret that in the morning. We are just packing up our stuff. We're leaving Pula today, and this has been one of my favorite places in Croatia we've been so far. It's been really laid back, but there still is so much local life and local charm here. It's been really, really fun to explore. We've had a little too much fun. We are officially leaving Pula today, leaving Croatia after the past few weeks. We're heading on to Ljubljana, Slovenia, and I was gonna say we're leaving the Balkans, but is Slovenia considered part of the Balkans? Let me know if you know. And we're headed towards the train, which is the first time we've taken the train on this trip, so I'm super excited, and we'll see you in Slovenia. Okay, how cute is this train station? Pula station sits right by the sea, which makes waiting for the train actually feel like a part of your adventure. It first opened in 1876 when Pula was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and it was a major hub for transporting goods and Navy personnel. Now, it's one of the only train stations in Croatia that connects to the Eurail network. So if you're backpacking Europe like us, this is one of your best entry points into Istria. Clang, clang, clang as the trolley. Ding, ding, ding was the bell. This is haunted. The disco in harmony. There's something a little magical about leaving a place by train. Maybe it's the rhythm of it, or the way the windows start to blur the edges of your memories already as you pull away. Pula gave us some slow mornings, some slower than expected, salty sea air, and a feeling of finding something unexpected. Not just in the places that we explored, but in each other too. Traveling with people you love changes everything. Inside jokes become landmarks. A shared bottle of wine becomes a moment you'll talk about for years to come. You end up learning new things about people you thought you already knew everything about, and maybe even a few things about yourself too. And now, as the train hums beneath us, carrying us toward our next place, our next story, not really sure what to expect, but I'm just glad we're heading there together. My butt got exposed!
Really? Jordan always wants me to start an OnlyFans and I'm not ready.
5, 6, 7, 8. Clang, clang, clang as the trolley. Ding, ding, ding as the bell. This is haunted. The disco in harmony.